How to add a joint account holder at Bank of America. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a joint account holder at Bank of America. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply type in add a joint account holder at Bank of America. So the process is actually you'll need to schedule an appointment, and you can visit your nearest financial center for Bank of America. You can call this number right here. So if you don't live near a financial center, you can call at this number, and yeah, there is date and time as well. So you will actually need to visit them and fill out a form. So if you don't know what details you will need to for your form, what you can do is I'll just head over here. I'll just let me show you what the website says here. So as you can see, this is not the one. Let me open this one. Okay, so this one's the one that we are looking for. So right here, if you can see this one that says how do I open, or what information do I need to open a joint account, it basically says that you'll need the same information for both the applicants. So if you have your whenever you're opening a single account, the same information you will need for both of the applicants or multiple applicants. So, and yeah, you will need to sign both of the signatures in the form. So whenever you visit the financial center, don't forget to sign by both of you guys, so you can co-apply. And that's basically how you open a joint account. For more details, you can just visit your financial center, whichever is the nearest one to you, and open a joint account. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.